Our dear panel of evaluators, co-researchers, friends, good day to each and every one of us. Our research focuses on deep learning for photovoltaic panel soiling detection using data augmentation in low sample size, a machine vision approach. Allow me to present my fellow co-researcher, collaborators from Fugao State University, Mr. Ryan R. Tejada, Dr. Glenn O. Fernando, Engineer Richardson Nasalia, Mr. Roderick Y. Vicente, Mr. Roger S. Tamargo, and yours truly, Dennis C. Maluno. Dr. Telma D. Palawag of University of the Cordilleras, Baguio City, Dr. Alvin S. Alon of Batangas State University from the Philippines, respectively. Photovoltaic panels play a pivotal role in a global renewable energy infrastructure, presenting a sustainable method to capture solar energy and diminishing dependence on traditional energy sources. Nevertheless, the effective functioning of photovoltaic system faces challenges due to several factors, including the gradual buildup of dust, grims, and other substance on the panel surface, known as the soiling. These occurrences substantially diminish the energy conversion efficiency of photovoltaic panel. The soiling does just decrease energy output. It also escalates maintenance expenses and curtail the lifespan of photovoltaic system. Strategically, to reduce the effect of the soiling, photovoltaic panels have primarily concentrated on regular cleaning and maintenance that produce, which can be expensive and require a lot of labor. While this approach works, thus do their limitations, especially in expensive solar farm or isolated areas where frequent cleaning is difficult. An automated and precise system for detecting soilings is crucial to enhance the maintenance of photovoltaic panels and enhance the overall effectiveness. In this study, Conduct its field has investigated different methods for identifying soiling. Some studies have used infrared demographic to detect temperature variations and panel surface. Due to the soiling, although these methods can be sensitive to environmental conditions, other approaches have used machine learning methods. Sometimes required extra sensor to monitor changes in electrical output. Note that recent research introduced a deep learning-based approach for soiling detection through image analysis, showcasing the significant potential for automation. However, further investigation and refine are required to ensure the reliability and widespread applicability of such technology. On system workflow of our study has carefully compiled a dataset gathering. The solar panel soiling image datasets with 45,754 images and powered loads table in the core of our search. However, it's essential to highlight that due to the resource constraint and computational limitations, we choose to work with a subset of 300 images from each class. Our experimental step involving two identical side-by-side solar panel and RGB camera mirror practical condition for image capture. The study carefully compiled in each image annotation as employed the common object in context. Segmentation JSON annotation format to meticulously labeled annotated images as a solar panel soiling and solar panel clean. This standardized annotation approach allow us to precise define and delineate regions of interest with its images, effectively highlighting areas with soiling and cleaning section on photovoltaic panel. Sample annotated images with the discussion unmistakable demonstrate the effectiveness of our annotation process, showcasing clear, accurate polygonal mass and describe the external of soiling and clean region. Our study have also compiled with its augmentation that generate a total of 1,440 augmented images from the original sets of 600 images using the diverse of augmentation techniques, including horizontal and vertical flips, 90 degrees rotation in both clockwise and counterclockwise direction, random rationalized within the range of negative 15 degrees to positive 15 degrees, horizontally and vertically shearing up to negative and positive 15 degrees, and variation in its image saturation and brightness between negative 25% to positive 25%. Additionally, we introduce controlled noise affecting up to 5% of the image pixels. Also, the study have carefully compiled with its algorithm. The study harnessed the power of mass region-based convolutional neural network architecture as the cornerstone of our deep learning approach as shown in its figure. System workflow has also compiled in its evaluation. The map for the mean average precision stands as the key assessment metrics used to gauge the efficiency of our deep learning model in detecting soiling. MAP is highly acknowledged for the thorough performance evaluation in tasks involving object detection and segmentation. It evaluates both precision and recall of the model across different confidence thresholds, making it specifically well suited for evaluating the accuracy and resiliency of our soiling detection system. The result in its discussion, the training of the system, the training box loss of its point 14,891 indicates that the model excels at accurate predicting bounding boxes around soiled areas of photovoltaic panel. This is low cost or loss suggests that the model effectively aligned in prediction with an actual location of soiling, the crucial effect aspect of its object detection. The training segmentation loss value at 0.1 19,437 reveals that the model deeply segment the soiling region within Bates bounding boxes. Precisely segmentation is vital for understanding the extent and distribution of the soiling, making this an encouraged result. The training class loss stand at 0.17,341, indicating that the models excel in its classifying detected objects. In its validation, the validation box of 0.10,022 affirms the models consist ability to accurately predict bounding boxes and around soiled areas, underscoring its strong object detection capabilities during validation. The validation segmentation loss at 0.10,029 highlights the model effectiveness in segmenting soiled region, ensuring precise detection of the extent and distribution of the soil, even in the validation phase. The validation class loss of 0.10,047 reflects the model's enduring accuracy in classifying detection, particularly in distinguishing object clean and soiled region of the panel. The evaluation result, precision and recall that shown figure 8 for the detection of the soil areas, photovoltaic panels denote by B for soil background. The precision metric stands in its impressive 99.3. This indicates that the model high accuracy in correcting identifying areas with soiling, minimizing the likelihood of else positive with the crucial for ensuring that the clean areas are not misclassified. As soil, furthermore, the recall metrics for soil background region is at 99.4, demonstrating the model effectiveness in capacitating the a significant portion of actual soil area. The map